Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually get email from your Shopify new orders. So whenever somebody placed an order inside your Shopify store, so how you can capture the customer details and store it inside your Google Sheet, and also send a Slack message for your fulfillment, that is your order fulfillment team. So I'm gonna do that. Like I will be showing how you can actually automate this using a tool called KonnectzIT. So now let's log into KonnectzIT. So before you create any workflow, so you have to authorize these apps inside KonnectzIT. For Shopify, you don't need to do that because Shopify supports webhooks. So we'll just need to capture and place the webhook manually. Let's create our workflow by clicking on create connects button. So this will directly jump on to the workflow like canvas where all the magic happens. So let's start by naming our workflow. I'll be naming that as Shopify new order first. You have to search for Shopify app, just drag and drop the app and select your trigger. So in this case I will be selecting as new order. So whenever there is a new order placed inside my Shopify store, I'll be selecting that as my trigger and copy the webhook URL from KonnectzIT. And based on the instructions provided, that I need to go to Shopify admin panel and go to settings and notification and place my webhook URL. So let's do that. But let us go to our Shopify admin panel, click on settings and then click on notifications. So just scroll down, you will see a button called create webhook. Just click on that and just select the trigger as order created for new order. So let's go ahead and select this trigger, that is order creation, and then leave the format as JSON. Place the webhook URL you copied from KonnectzIT and select the version, web API version as the latest. So make sure you select the stable version and then click on save. That's it, nothing else you need to do. So once you successfully place the webhook, so go to KonnectzIT again, click on capture webhook response. This will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from your Shopify store. So now let's go to Shopify store and then create a sample order by clicking on send test notification. So this will going to create a sample order and send the notification for our webhook. So in your use case, so you can actually create a sample order as well. So you can see that, so we got the email ID here and also the order details. So all these details will be present inside our webhook, so you can use all these details for your store. So now I will go to select Google Sheet. So basically I will store my data. Just select Google Sheet, drag and drop Google Sheet. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just like saving the customer details. So for this I'll be creating a new row, or even I can update the row as well, so by doing a lookup. So here in this case for new order I'll just create an new row for all my orders. So select the spreadsheet. So basically you can select spreadsheet and the respective sheet as well. It will ask me for all these details. So in this case I will be connecting the email field to the email field, and that's it. So if you want to select any other, like you can actually select, for example, the shop details, or maybe like all these IDs you want to add it into your application, so you can do that. So basically you can create all this stores details over here, Google Sheet. So basically, so here I can get all the details. So you can see the name, first name, email, and all the details about the customers. So what I can do is, so I'll just go ahead and grab those details over here. So we have all the details of the customer from the Shopify store under the customer tab. So just need to connect between the nodes. That's it. Like email field to the email field, name field to the name field, first name to the first name, last name to the last name. And even if you want to add more details like last order ID or like notes, so you can do that just by selecting connecting between the nodes. That's it. So and then it on test and review. So this will going to create a new test row inside my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. So I just need to go to Google Sheet. So you can see that a name will be created inside my Google Sheet. So now let's go to KonnectzIT and create an Slack message. So before sending a Slack message to my fulfillment team, so I will just create and merge all the data and format the data according to my message. So basically what I'm doing here is merging all the text and creating an formatted content for my message, Slack message. So use all the details. So for example, I will just connect the name and details, email, so all these details, and then just enter it into Slack message. So just tell this for fulfillment team. So new order is created in my store. Make it ready. For example, if you want to send for printing or like any fulfillment details, you can do that. And then just need like this. So you can just add all the details. And then so once you add all those details, so just click on validate. So this will going to validate your data inside text formatter. So now once you validate it successfully, send an Slack message. For this, just search for Slack app inside KonnectzIT. Again, you have to repeat the same step. Just drag and drop the app. So in this case, just select your account and select the action as send channel message. So basically I'm just sending a channel message. So you can select that option. So for this, it asks for channel ID. So go to your Slack, just copy this detail. That's it. So go to Slack and just paste it here in the channel, and then just connect the one you formatted the data for Slack message. So once you did that, so just hit on test and review. So this will going to send this test data inside my Slack channel. So yes, we successfully sent the data. So now let us go to Slack. You can see that so a new order is created in my store, please make it ready. So it is came to the fulfillment team channel, and it also gives the details of the customer. So you can add all those other details like address and also the delivery or make it ready. So this is how you can actually send a Slack message to fulfillment team with the customer order details. So whenever you get a new order inside your Shopify store. So now let's go ahead and publish our connect. So let me go ahead and publish my connect. So yes, our connects is successfully published. So now if we want to sort any new order automatically, so a new row will be created inside my sheet, and also like it will going to send a message inside my Slack channel. So now let's go into test this. So let us go back to Shopify store again. I will be sending the same test notification. Basically I will be getting the same email ID because I'm just sending a test order notification. You can use the real data as well. So now let's go to Google Sheet. So basically the same name and the email ID will be created. So and also we will be getting a Slack message. So you can see that guys, so a new order is created and with the details. So this is how you can able to send a Slack message for all your Shopify order notifications. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this particular integration, do let me know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.